Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we want to talk about today about Apecoin. So let's check out first here the 4-hourly chart. Oh, by the way, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't miss this chance and subscribe right now to my channel, and also click on the notification bell so you will not miss out any of my new videos. So thank you very much. Right now, let's start with the TA. On the 4-hourly chart, you can see that Apecoin formed actually here this downtrend. Wow, actually you can draw it like this. So it's in a clear downtrend, tried a couple of times to come over this downtrend line and broke here at this point through the downtrend or the resistance, actually retest this one and try to pump here at this level, the level of the breakout. It's getting again a rejection in, and right now for me two possible scenarios. First one, Apecoin will retest the EMA ribbons on the 4-hourly, so it would be here at 11.44. This level actually has to hold, then it would be pretty bullish. Or if this not hold, then the next one would be this blue box here between 10.69 and 11. So this is the second support that actually should hold for Apecoin. If this also will not hold, the next one would be again this resistance line that finally should flip into support. Also, let's check out the Fibonacci retracement. First, let's do this from this swing high to this swing low. So the golden pocket would be here in this level at 30.8, but before this we have at 30.07 the Fibonacci 0.5 level. So this is actually the target, the bullish one, but let's do another one from this swing low to this swing high. So what should we expect here? The 0.5 level, maybe also the golden pocket, would be in perfect confluence with the EMA ribbons. So this is a possible scenario. Also, if it will break down to the 0.78 level, Fibonacci level, this is also very likely. And as long as the uptrend structure, so it makes higher highs, also higher lows, then it is still in an uptrend and it's still bullish. So watch out these levels. Of course, if there are multiple confluences, then you of course can trade this or these opportunities. You can, if you want to trade, check out my links in the description. You can trade this on Phemex or Bybit. And as always, no financial advice. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. Peace out, guys.